Today I would like you to create a two-step problem solving question. Okay, because Miss Winnie was thinking, what's the best way for you to understand a two-step problem solving question? So a good way is for you to come up with the question. Okay, because you will analyze how a question structure is, and then you will understand it better. Alright, so I'm going backwards. This is called backward planning, where you decide today problem solving question you have to create. So how many questions you have to create? Two. Okay, I want you to create two questions. One is for addition, another one is for subtraction. Okay, for addition your question should have words like add. Thomas added two more apples from the 10 apples he had. Okay, add, more, buy. Okay, it can even be a combination of addition and subtraction. Be creative. So two questions. Okay, if you are doing subtraction you can use words like give, lost, ate. Okay, so uh, Thomas had 12 apples and he gave two to Riku. So how many has Thomas left with? So that's a question. Okay. Another thing that I want you to remember is a two-step problem solving question normally has three numbers involved. There are always three numbers involved. Okay. Example, let me give you a story. So Thomas had 10 apples. So 10 apples. He he bought two more apples from the market. He bought. So two more, right? And then he gave away three more apples. So, how many apples is Thomas left with? So, how many numbers are involved here? 1, 2, 3, right? So, if you look at the question, Thomas had 10 and then he bought 2, so he has 12. And then what happened? He gave away 3. So, what is the final answer? Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to you don't need to do the calculation today. Okay, I only want you to write two problem solving questions for Miss Winnie, and then I want you to send it to Miss Winnie. Okay, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your questions, I'm going to organize it properly and give it back to you and your friends to answer the questions. Okay, all right. So for today, you just need to send me two problem solving questions. Remember to use the right words, and normally problem solving questions have three numbers. Bye.